In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move your images in DaVinci Resolve. If you want to reposition an image in your timeline, the good news is that it's very simple once you know where the controls are. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to click and how to adjust the image position so you can place it wherever you want on the screen. Start by clicking on your image in the timeline. This is important because DaVinci Resolve only shows the controls for the clip you currently have selected, so make sure the image is highlighted before moving on. If nothing changes on the right side of the screen, it usually means the clip hasn't been selected yet. Once your image is selected, go to the top right area of the interface and open the Inspector tab. The Inspector is where you'll find most of the settings used to adjust clips, including images, videos, and other visual elements. If the Inspector is not already visible, just click it to open it. After that, stay under the Video tab. This is the section that contains the visual transformation controls for your image. Inside this area, look for the position settings. This is where you can control where the image appears in the frame. You'll see two main values here, X and Y. These represent horizontal and vertical movement. The X value moves the image left or right across the screen, while the Y value moves it up or down. Once you understand that, adjusting placement becomes much easier and more predictable. From here, you have two ways to move the image. You can click directly on the value and type in a number if you want something more precise. This is useful when you need exact placement or want your image to match the position of another element on screen. The other option is to click and drag on the value itself. This method feels faster and more natural if you just want to move the image visually and find the right spot by adjusting it little by little. As you change the X and Y values, keep an eye on the viewer so you can see the image move in real time. That makes it easier to fine-tune the position and get it exactly where you want it, and that's all there is to it. Select the image, open the Inspector, go to the Video tab, find Position, and then adjust the X and Y values by typing or dragging. Once you do it a couple of times, it becomes a very quick part of your editing workflow.